Question number 8. So f and g defined for real value of x greater than or equal to 1. So we want to find a g f x. So g f x is g 4x minus 3. So it's 2 4x minus 3 plus 1. And the whole thing divided by this is the 3 4x minus 3 minus 1. So it will become 8x minus 6 plus 1. And the whole thing divided by the 12x minus 9 minus 1. So it is 8x minus 5 over the 12x minus 10. Okay. Okay. So what we do is over here we have the 4x minus 3. We put in the x here. Okay. So this one I put in here and here. Then it will become this one. Then we want to find the g inverse of x. So this is the gx. So we want to find the g inverse of x. So for g inverse of x, I will start with let gy equal to x. Then g inverse of x equal to y. So we have the 2y plus 1 over 3y minus 1 equal to x. 2y plus 1 equal to x times 3y minus 1. So 2y plus 1 equal to 3xy minus x. Then we want to write y as a subject. So this one move behind here. So we have the 1 plus x equal to 3xy minus 2y. Then I can factorize the y. 3x minus 2 equal to the x plus 1. So the y is the x plus 1 over 3x minus 2. Therefore, the g inverse of x is the x plus 1 over 3x minus 2, and the x cannot be x 2 over 3. Okay, and this one just now, okay, maybe some student will ask why this part we move the y behind instead of move the y in front. So if I move the y in front, then we will have something like 2y minus 3xy equal to negative x minus 1. So for this one, we have 3 terms. And then, no, this one we have the 4 terms. And then we have 3 negative value. So I don't want. Okay, too many negative already. So if if we have something like this, then later to get the g inverse here, we still have to do some manipulation. So I don't want. Okay, so we want to solve the fgx. So fgx equal to x minus 1. So fgx equal to the f 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 1. Then is 4 2x plus 1 3x minus 1 minus 3. So this is the fgx. So we have the fgx equal to the x minus 1. So this one I will have the, okay, so we have this is equal to the x minus 1. So we have the 8x plus 4 over 3x minus 1 equal to x plus 2. So minus 1 plus 3 will become x plus 2. Then we have the 8 x plus 4 equal to the x plus 2 multiplied with the 3x minus 1. Okay, so we will have the 3x squared minus x plus 6x minus 2 is 8x. No, this one is 0. Then minus 8x minus 4. So we have the 3x squared, okay, minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. X squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. And we can do the factorization equal to 0. X 1 2 minus 2 plus 1. So x equal to negative 1 and x equal to 2. But over here, uh, x is greater than or equal to 1 for all case. Okay, so for this one, uh, we have to say that the x, this one rejected, x equal to negative 1 have to reject it because the x is greater than or equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to 2 is the only solution. So for this one, just now the b here, if we do this one, if we continue with this one, actually we can get the same answer. Okay, but we need to do more manipulation. So factorize the y, 2 minus 3x equal to negative x minus 1. So the y is the negative x minus 1 over 2 minus 3x. So this one is different with the uh, answer that I get just now. So I still have to do one more step so that they can get the same answer, 3x minus 2. We multiply with negative 1 here. So this one will become the x plus 1 over 3x minus 2. So this is the G inverse of x. Okay. Mm. Okay. So normally we will not, okay, we won't leave the answer as the uh negative x minus 1 over 2 minus 2 minus 3x. It is very obvious that the negative sign can be factorized and then can be removed. Okay, we look at the answer scheme provided. So for number 2, the G inverse is x plus 1 over the 3x minus 2. Okay, if you stop at the negative x minus 1 over the negative 2 minus 3x, then you won't get the final marks. And for the number 3, that x equal to 2 only, then we get A1. Okay,